In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Solana in Coinbase. So for those people who do not know Solana is also known as SOL or Sol crypto. So basically it's a cryptocurrency and you guys can easily buy it in Coinbase. But before that, if you guys don't know what Coinbase is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And it takes around 3% of fee for buying crypto. But if you guys sign up for Coinbase, then basically buying crypto is the most easiest. Alright, so Coinbase is one of the most easiest platform to buy crypto. So if you're a beginner, you can go on Coinbase to sign up. And if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is, if you guys are new to this channel, it's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching Want to Step YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. Alright, let's move on. First step, you want to go to coinbase.com, log in into your account. Then you want to go on where it says trade. Once you go on trade, you want to search for Sol coin, which means Solana. So Solana is also called Sol, don't get confused. Type SOL and it's going to be shown over here at top. You need to wait for some time, alright? Once you see Solana over here, you just want to click on Solana. Once you click on Solana, there's going to be the buy section over here. And on this buy section, as you guys can see over here, on this buy section, you can enter the amount of Solana you want to buy. Then you want to click on preview buy. Once you click on preview buy, it's going to tell you all the fee it's going to take you for, buying Solana and stuff. And once you click on buy, basically your Solana will be bought. So that's basically how you guys can buy Solana in Coinbase. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. It's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day. And don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Coinbase to get up to $10 bonus. And it's me, Vichy Kevin. Stay tuned to our channel. Want to Step for future video.